Welcome everyone. So in this video we are going to create this type of plastic text effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to this type tool and type our text and click and drag to resize the text. Okay. And this is good. If you want to bring it to the center, just hold shift and click on the background layer and go to this align horizontal centers and align vertical centers, and now click on the text layer and double click on the text layer. So now we're going to go to Bevel and Emboss. So when you go to this option, you'll see a lot of options here. And first of all, let's go down all the way down to this shadow mode, and let's bring the opacity to around 17 or 18. Okay, and then style will be inner bevel, and technique would be smooth. And you can see here there is something called shading, and inside shading we have this gloss contour, and you have this small arrow here. Click here and then we'll choose ring double. Okay, ring double. And after that we will go to this size and try to adjust according to our preferences. And right now 38 looks good, and soften, bring down the soften. We're not going to make it too soft for now. 2 is okay, but let's see, because we also need to adjust this angle and attitude. Just click here and there and adjust according to your preferences. And right now this looks okay, or maybe we can decrease the attitude a little bit, or maybe increase it. Let's see. Okay, this looks good, around 56. We'll adjust it later. Once we have adjusted the shading, we can again go to the size and adjust it and soften, bring soften to, okay, 2 is okay right now. Let's leave it there. First of all, we'll go to contour here, click on contour, and from here to we can choose ring double. Okay, and we'll adjust the range here. Around 55 looks good. Now let's go to inner glow. Okay, by default the inner glow has this white color. Click on this white color and choose black. Okay, now we'll go to the size and adjust the size, and around 54 or 55 looks good. And adjust this choke. Around 18 looks good. Now again we'll go to inner shadow, and we have this black color here. Keep it as it is, and we'll adjust the distance, choke, and size. Okay, this looks good. So now again, let's go to Bevel and Emboss, and maybe we can try adjusting the size here. Okay, 46 looks good, or maybe 40, around 43. That looks good. We can also try adjusting this angle and altitude. Okay, according to the result you want. Okay, this looks good. Angle is 127 and altitude is 58. And shadow mode opacity is 16, but we can adjust it a little bit. Maybe we can bring it down to 7. Okay, this looks good. Now we can go to drop shadow here and adjust the drop shadow. Opacity is okay. We can bring it down to about 24 or 22, and then adjust the distance, spread, and size also. We can just keep it like this and click OK. Now we'll go to the background layer, click here, and then choose color from here. Let's see, choose the color and click Alt and backspace. This looks good, but we can go to image, adjustments, and hue saturation, and we'll try to adjust the color of the background to make it look good. And I think this looks okay. Okay. Now we can again go to the text layer and double click and go to drop shadow. I will try to adjust opacity and distance and size. Okay, that looks kind of good. We can go to inner shadow and bring opacity a little bit down. Adjust the distance, size. Okay. Okay, and then we are good to go. I think this looks great. You can improvise here and there with this text according to the result you want, but the method is very simple, and I wanted to show the method. And yeah, I think you'll like this version of this plastic text effect in Photoshop. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.